Hai repengrang sakanti ko rimpak sawa ang gital ko video na to repengrang dalni video de yan fishing competition ni video to organized by Momin Brothers aro khalani biap de Mejolgiri Wanso Rongjeng to repengrang khalani tarik de donaha 9 December 2023 aro khalani somoy de suku bajioni gini bajiona to repengrang yano entry fees donaha 1000 gini iksadok terpengrang ino price bad bangkhle donaha ne to first prize donaha lakh bonga second prize donaha lakh gini 1000 sot bonga third prize de laksa fourth gopa prize de donaha 1000 sot bonga to terpengrang ino special prize for smallest fish naba donaha ne means agre na sonna nathok manoba ino prize mangen to ino baita donga prize to ino donga special prize donaha 1000 kholatsi to repengrang to ino agre dalla nathok manaba lakponga prize ko manengen aro agre sonna nathok manoba 1000 kholatsi ko manengen ne repengrang to repengrang ino consolation prize ba bang phak donaha to consolation A group donaha 1000 kholdik dake sak siking na aro consolation B donaha 1000 sibonga dake sak siking na aro consolation C donaha 1000 siking dake sak thot bunga ona donaha ne repengrang to repengrang yano consolation prize ba pang phek to nasang ribaibo aro khalai bone repengrang to repengrang ino lucky draw ba donga to lucky draw de lucky draw ni ticket price donaha riksasa aro lucky draw ni first prize donaha 1000 kholatsi second prize donaha 1000 sibonga aro third goba prize donaha 1000 sikeng aro fourth goba prize donaha 1000 bonga to repengrang ino organizer ni contact number ba donaha to ino organizer ni contact number first gopa number de 9101099964 aro kini gopa de 8638432129 aro githam gopa de 6909024847 to repengrang ya nombolo nasong contact khamen organizer baksa golpo khana mangen ne repengrang aro ino repengrang nasong ko rule and regulation ko nangade ya banner manaigen to repengrang nasong ang channel gitta longade ang channel ko subscribe khabo like khabo comment khabo aro repengrang dalni video de yan to bye bye